Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Tips, the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're so happy to have you here today. How are you doing, Emily?
I'm doing great, Paul. Feeling fresh and full of energy. Today, we're going to talk about something that everyone can relate to, our daily routine.
Yes, our daily routine is something we all have, but it can be different for everyone. And it's a really good topic for English learners because you can use it to practice simple present tense, like I wake up, I brush my teeth, I go to work, and so on.
Exactly. So today, let's talk about our daily routines, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed. Ready, Paul?
Absolutely. Let's start with you, Emily. What's your daily routine like?
All right, so my day starts early. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water and stretch a little to wake up my body. Then I make my bed because I believe starting the day with a small accomplishment sets a positive tone for the rest of the day.
That's a great habit. I've read that making your bed can actually improve your mood and productivity. What do you do next?
After that, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I prepare a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without it. While sipping my coffee, I usually check my messages, emails, and the news on my phone.
Oh, same here. My morning doesn't start until I have my coffee, too.
I think coffee is every adult's best friend. After breakfast, I take a quick shower and get ready for work. I usually leave home around 8 a.m.
Nice and organized. For me, my routine starts a bit later. I wake up around 7 a.m., and the first thing I do is open my window and let the fresh air in. Then I drink a glass of water with lemon. It really helps me feel refreshed.
That sounds healthy. Do you work out in the morning?
Sometimes, if I'm feeling energetic, I do a quick 20-minute workout, usually some push-ups, stretching, and a short jog. After that, I take a shower and make breakfast. My favorite breakfast is scrambled eggs with toast and tea.
Yum! That sounds delicious.
Thanks. After breakfast, I usually spend some time planning my day. I write down my to-do list so I can stay focused. Then I start my work around 9 a.m.
You're very organized, Paul. I like that. My work also starts around 9 a.m., and most of the time, I work from home. I spent my morning answering emails, attending online meetings, and working on my English lessons and videos.
That's amazing. Working from home sounds comfortable, but it can also be challenging to stay focused, right?
Yes, it can be. So I make sure to take short breaks. Around 11 a.m., I usually take a 5-minute break to stretch or drink some water. Then I continue working until lunchtime.
Same here. I usually have lunch around 1 p.m. Sometimes I cook at home, but if I'm busy, I just order something simple like a sandwich or salad.
That's pretty similar to me. I prefer light food at lunch, maybe rice with vegetables or pasta. After lunch, I take a short walk or relax for 10-15 minutes before I get back to work.
That's a good idea. I usually take a power nap after lunch if I have time. It helps me recharge for the afternoon.
Lucky you. I can't nap during the day. It makes me sleepy afterward. In the afternoon, I focus on creative work, like recording videos or writing content. Time flies when I'm doing something I love.
That's true. My afternoon is usually busy with meetings, emails, and editing projects. Around 5 p.m., I wrap up my work and take some time to relax.
I finish work around 5:30 p.m. Then I like to go for a walk or do some yoga. Exercise helps me clear my mind after a long day.
That's great. I usually go to the gym in the evening. I work out for about an hour. It keeps me healthy and motivated.
After your workout, what do you do?
After the gym, I come home, take a shower, and have dinner around 8 p.m. I like simple dinners, maybe grilled chicken with rice or sometimes soup. Then I relax by watching a show or reading a book.
Sounds peaceful. My evening routine is similar. I have dinner with my family and then spend some time chatting or watching TV. After that, I usually read or plan my next day.
When do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m. I try to sleep early so I can wake up fresh.
That's perfect. I usually go to bed a bit later, around 11 or 11:30 p.m. Before sleeping, I like to listen to relaxing music or meditate for a few minutes. It really helps me sleep better.
That's a wonderful habit, Paul. So, we've shared our daily routines from morning to night. I think it's a great idea for learners to write or talk about their own daily routines in English.
Absolutely. It's one of the best ways to practice speaking naturally. You can start with simple sentences like, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast at 8, and I go to bed at 10.
And don't forget to use time expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. That makes your English sound smoother and more natural.
Right. Also, remember to use the simple present tense because daily routines talk about habits, things you do every day.
Exactly. So, listeners, we challenge you today. Write your own daily routine in English and practice saying it out loud.
Yes, practice makes progress. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about our daily routines.
If you like this talk, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. English Tips for more fun and useful English lessons.
See you next time, everyone. Stay positive, stay confident, and keep practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.